Welcome to Bobby's Boatercycle Repair, where we have no idea what we're doing, but we're going to do it anyway. This is a fresh unit that I got for free, so that's how you know it's in real good shape. And there's a few things like this. I think that's supposed to go up and down. She does turn, winning. That still works. All right, that's good. All right, let's see, we got stuff and stuff. So yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah, definitely. I can't see a single thing that could go wrong here. Should have it running in no time. I see that something's missing right here. Maybe it went here, not sure. Like I said, I don't really know what I'm doing. All right, we're gonna put a battery charger on it. Battery's back here, down in this hole, right down there. Yep. I'm gonna use this micro charger because that's all I got. It'll probably take 30 days to charge, but maybe it'll work. And this, I think this battery's 10 years old, so should be fine. I'm gonna take this here box off. I'm gonna use this here little ladder because I'm a little person. Little tall, not little wide. But I was just guessing. No, I'm not. I made sure this was the right one first. Sorry. This is... What the heck? Well, shoot. I totally know how to do this the first time. I did not have to. All right, you pull these, see these things right here? Put it down here. This comes out like that, and then these slide out. That unlocks it, just in case you're as smart as I am. Can't figure it out first time. Got this cover off, but I had to channel Einstein, figure out how to get it off. So now we're moving on. Get these 6 bolts out. They'll be right there, back with you. I'm not totally sure this is the right thing to do, but I'm trying to get down there to the cable for the broom broom thing. I'm just gonna put all the bolts down here so that way I lose them all, half of them. And I'm like, baby Jesus, we're on my good news. The carburetor's completely stuck. The goal tonight is to get the carburetor off, so this is where I've got it right now. Yep. I'm gonna get this off. I'm gonna take this to work tomorrow and clean it out. I actually got it freed up. Look at this. Not quite, but not that stuck, but I'm gonna clean it out anyway. And maybe that 30-year-old battery will charge up. Doubt it, but
You, but I'm just saying.
I don't know what's. Okay. I'm gonna put this over here in my pile of stuff to not get lost. Anyway, Yeah, we see how dirty she is. Couldn't be better. Then we got these clampy things. I just noticed that she's been spliced. Perfect. I don't know where this. So now we got video footage of the splicey one goes on the top, the non-splicey one goes on the bottom. And that's how we're gonna keep track of them. I did forget to mention I don't even have a key for this. So there is that. But I got a plan. CDU approved tool here. Pliers. We're gonna cut these squeezy things off. That didn't work. Okay. Look at that. That one's already loose. All right. Try not to breathe too heavy. These things are like, they just clamp them. Obviously, it has never been off. Well, yeah.